This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I'll draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 84 by 56 plus 24 unit. Then I will expose it to 72 unit. Okay. After that, I will draw this semicircle. This semicircle has a radius of 12 unit. Okay, it has a horizon. It has a vertical distance of 32 unit, and from the center of this line, it has a horizontal distance of 32 plus 12 unit. Then I will draw two vertical line here, and then I will close the shape. Then I will extrude cut it to through all. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and draw this. So first of all, I'm selecting the top plane. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the center rectangle from here and draw a rectangle of 56 plus 24 unit by 84 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 72 unit. Okay, extrude boss it to 72 unit. Then select this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select a circle and draw a circle of 12 multiplied by 2. As the radius is 12, so the diameter will be 24. Okay, after that, select the smart dimension tool, and from the smart dimension tool, it has a vertical distance of 32 unit. Okay, then it has a horizontal distance of 32 plus the radius, it will be 44 unit. Now select the line tool from here and draw a vertical line here and close the shape by drawing a rectangle. Okay, so we have drawn the shape. Now select the trim entities from here and trim the unnecessary line that we don't need. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. Okay, now press OK. So our this portion has been done. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, we can see we have a extrude cut rectangle portion here. So first of all, I'll draw this extrude cut draw this rectangle. I'll use the corner rectangle. Okay, and from that corner rectangle, I'll draw a corner rectangle and I extrude cut it to up to this face, which will be 56 unit. Then we can see we have this height has a dimension of 32 unit. 32 unit. So again, I'll draw a corner rectangle at here. Okay, and then dimension it from the vertical line to 32 unit. Then I'll extrude both this upper extra, extrude cut this upper extra portion. Okay, so let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting this face. Now right click on it. Now it's sorry. Uh, so I'm selecting this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the corner rectangle from here. Okay, and draw a corner rectangle up to the semicircle point. Okay, now press OK. As this side this rectangle is up to this semicircle point, you don't need to dimension it manually. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to select the blind tool from here. We will extrude cut it to 56 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now again select this upper portion. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now again draw another corner rectangle from here to here, and this point to this point, and it has a now select this dimension. It has a vertical distance of 32 unit also. So vertical distance is to 32 unit because we have a vertical distance of 32 unit here. Okay, so now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, we can see we have a radius plate here, and it has a radius plate of 32 unit, and we have another field radius fillet here, and it has a radius of 16 unit. So let's do this portion. So that I'm selecting the fillet option from here and place the dimension here, and the dimension is 32 unit. Now select this edge. Now it is given as the preview. Now press OK. So our first fillet has been done. Now again select the fillet option from here, and now dimension to 16 unit. So we will be doing a 16 unit radius fillet. So selecting this upper edge. Now press OK. So our fillet portion has been done. Let's go back to our drawing again. In our drawing we can see the this semicircle portion from here to here. It has a distance of 40 unit. So along this extra line we don't need this space. For that I'll draw a rectangular face here. Okay, and this rectangular face has a distance from this point to this point. It will have a distance of 40 unit. Okay, then I will to cut it to through all. Then we can say from this side face we have a triangular cut like this one. And for drawing this triangular cut, first of all I'll draw a incline line, and from that incline line I'll from this point to this point I'll dimension it to 28 unit, and from this point to this point I'll dimension it to 24 unit. Then I will close the rectangle, then I will extrude cut in this side. Okay, after that portion has been done, we can see we have another rectangular cut here. And for drawing that rectangular cut, first of all from this middle point I'll draw a center line, and this center line has a dimension of 8 unit. And from the end of this center line I'll draw another center line, and this center line will has a dimension of 16 unit. And from this center line I'll draw two offset line here and here, and these two offset line will have a total distance of 28 units. So the half distance will be here to here will be 28 divided by 2 unit. Then I will close this to shape, so it will form a rectangle. Then I will extrude cut this portion in this way, and it has a extrude cut of 8 unit. So let me demonstrate. So first of all I'm selecting this upper face. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the corner rectangle again and draw a corner rectangle from this side to this portion. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool from here, and from this edge to this semicircle edge it has a distance of 40 unit. Okay, the distance is 40 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now is to cut it to through all. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now it's time for the triangular cut that we have been seen in this side. For this I am selecting this side. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the line tool from here and draw an incline line. Okay, I'm drawing an incline line. Okay, this incline line has been drawn. Now select the span dimension tool, and from this point to this vertical line it has a distance of 28 unit. So dimension it to 28 unit, and this total rectangle has a incline line has a vertical distance of 24 unit. Okay, so now select the line tool from here and close the shape. After that press OK. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now cut this portion. Now press OK. So this portion has been cut. Now we have a rectangular cut here, and for that I'm selecting this face. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the center line from here, and from this midpoint draw a center line of 8 unit. Then again the end of the center line I will draw another center line. It has a dimension of 16 unit. Okay, now select the offset entities and draw as the total distance is 28 units. So half distance will be 28 divided by 2. So make sure to click bidirectional cap int and line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to select the blind tool from here, and this has extrude cut of 8 unit. So extrude cut it to 8 unit. Now press OK. Okay, as you can see we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.